Oh yeah.
You seem very interested in that data pad.
I do. She's part of the
We'd like to
resistance.
know what you're doing with it.
Taking a look at you. She's rebel. She's part
You
of the
don't have to
resistance.
answer. And we don't have to ask. Enjoy your day.
Oh, thank
as
you.
affirmative.
Thanks for protecting the galaxy.
You're welcome, citizen. Play for practice, and not for something else. It's hard to tell who's suspicious. That means everyone is. That is affirmative.
A little bit of a different video today, but this experience was so incredible. I really wanted to make kind of a memory and a standalone shot of our day in Star Wars. My wife and I are huge Star Wars nerds, so going to Galaxy's Edge for an entire day was something that was basically on our bucket list. This video is gonna be just a fun 10 to 15 minutes, our whole day in Star Wars. I'm really trying to mitigate any spoilers, so I'm not showing any of the rides. I'm gonna show a little bit of the before and the end of the lightsaber building ceremony. I'm gonna show you all the shops, but I really try to do my best to eliminate any ride spoilers or any major spoilers. I have never used a travel agent before, but when I found out Galaxy's Edge was open, I wanted like a Make-A-Wish level style of trip. I'll leave her information down in the comments. If you're interested in this style of trip or any trip in general, please check her out. All right, so there we have it. My day in Star Wars with my wife, nerding out hardcore. I hope you enjoy watching it as much as we enjoyed living it. And if you are in any way, shape, or form a fan of Star Wars, go check it out. Are you excited?
So excited. It's so early.
Are you glad we got here this early?
Yeah, this line is crazy.
You're good.
Oh wow, this is so cool. I know, right?
Wow. Is that a bathroom? I told you they were Star Wars themed. Oh, this is Empire territory. Yeah, take a bunch. I'm not taking any phone pictures.
Oh, look at all the stormtrooper like helmets in there.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's OGA'S.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my gosh,
Oh, look at the falcon. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Look at the pad up there. Not even gonna wave my ass. Look at that. Oh, even the trash cans are Star Wars.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around him. Yes, yes. Hello, hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions.
So I just did the Smuggler's ride, and it was freaking incredible. I won't give away spoilers, but it's sweet. You kind of play as a team and do stuff with other people. It's very cool. Way cooler than Avatar. Official Star Wars breakfast. What'd you get? What is this called?
I don't know,
It looks
but
trippy
it's supposed to be oatmeal, but
with some weird things in it. And is that a donut?
it's like a cinnamon roll with Oreos on it.
Nice. Very nice.
Please show your identification. Fine. Move along. We'll need to see your identification. that spy. All right, move along. I'm keeping my eye on you.
You want to get sassed by a stormtrooper?
No.
How cool would that be?
It'd be scary.
Oh my god, they're following us. Dude, this is hysterical. They just get up and sass all these people.
Wait. We're looking for a resistance spy. Some kind of young genius codebreaker. Carry on. Resistance activity will not escape notice. Falling for that. Again. Dismissed. Oh no. You'll do instead. As you were, Susan. Attention! Active patrol. We are leaving this area. Call to the Raptor owner via the Raptor. Raptor owners.
Oh yeah.
You seem very interested
Oh, yeah.
in that data pad.
I do. She's part of the
We'd like to
resistance.
know what you're doing with it.
Taking a look at you. She's rebel. She's part
You
of the
don't have to
resistance.
answer. And we don't have to ask. Enjoy your day.
Oh, thank
It's
you.
affirmative.
Thanks for protecting the galaxy.
You're welcome, citizen. We have eyes on you.
Oh, he gets in there. He gets in people's faces.
That guy's like, oh.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh, look to the right. This is cool. Oh, this is cool. Oh, do you want a shoulder port?
Oh, look, something. What does this do?
I don't know, read the thing. Oh, you're good. Protocol droid. Oh, look at the ceiling. Look at the ceiling.
Oh, it's like.
It's K2SO. Droid building. This is cool. I'm gonna walk around.
Shipping these two to the droids.
Bunch of droids. Wow. It looks so cool. Oh, did you see those? Those are the old like the ones from the original, the clone ones. Well, not clones, but I forget what kind this is.
It's the ones that.
For interrogation.
TIE fighter.
This is a TIE fighter?
Isn't it like look the arms they straighten out?
But I think it's a TIE bomber. A TIE fighter is like more like that. There's the X-Wing. See, look at that Imperial turret. Would you like a flight suit? That's cool. This is the place to get your Halloween costume. That's for sure. Chewy! I know, Chewy! Need him? I mean. Whoa, is that Ray? What do you think so far?
Pretty awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Like you got your shoulder
Got my
cord?
tour, got my
Yeah? How's the drink?
It's really good.
Yeah, this place is sweet.
Ah, Starboard. Nice logo. You're among friends. Yeah, come on in.
I'm sorry?
How'd the last few treat you? Good? Watch out, flying ox. Place your hands on your hips. And activate. Builders, please, raise your lightsabers high. I thought something wrong for a second. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith that came before you. And like that, you can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Now please, deactivate your lightsabers.
Good?
Yeah.
Good? All right, let's see it. Nice. Do some tricks. Don't hit the, yeah. You're snipping the, it looks good.
Strictly for practice. And now there's something else. It's hard to tell who's suspicious. That means everyone is. That is affirmative.
Look at everybody's lightsabers.